How to show game apps in game launcher only on Samsung Galaxy. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can show game apps in game launcher only on Samsung Galaxy, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So on Samsung Galaxy we have this thing called game launcher, where if you open it all the games are going to show inside here, but you want these games to only show inside game launcher and not outside of game launcher on your home screen, as you can see it. So how do you turn this setting so that these games only show up inside the game launcher? For that, open up game launcher over here, tap the menu option from the bottom right, and then just go to settings. Then over here you can see show game apps. Currently it's set to in-game launcher and the home and app screens, but we want to set this to in-game launcher only. When we set this to in-game launcher only, those games are not going to show up over here, and it will only show up inside of game launcher. Your phone is actually smart. It will automatically detect if this is a game or whatever else, and it will automatically put them inside game launcher. This way you will be able to show game apps in game launcher only on Samsung Galaxy. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.